Hi, my name is Summer Janae, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about, give you an update in terms of my knee replacement surgery. So, as you can see, here's my scar right now. I have about 3 stitches, if you will, one right here and 2 right here that are completely flat. And so now I'm just waiting until February when I will have my next follow-up appointment. There, they're going to take x-rays of my knee a year out. But right now I'm doing really well, except for when it's starting to get cold. And so on those colder days or on the days that it rains, there's some discomfort and my knees like really irritated. There's still days where I can touch it and it's like really warm. So there's inflammation in it, but I think for where I am in this phase of the recovery process, I'm in a really good place. I can't complain. I can go up and down the stairs multiple times with no issues, unless I'm carrying something like my backpack on my back and my purse. Then it's a little more challenging, but otherwise, I'm doing great. When I walk, like if I have to walk for a long time on multiple days, or like when we have to go for site visits, tell you about that in another video. But if I have to go for a site visit and I'm walking a lot, um, during the site visit, it gets flared up. And like for maybe 2 weeks after the site visit, it's like you can cancel Christmas because it's hurting, it's swollen, it's yelling. All of those things are going on with my knee. But other than that, it does pretty good unless I overexert the knee. But so far, so good. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my total knee replacement and how I'm healing and progressing along. I pray you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Oh, before I cut this video off, there are 2 things that I found that are natural, if you will, that are in the self care lane that have helped. So, when I go for a massage, and I have the masseuse to focus on my quad and my ham and my calf. And then I found when I would go afterwards to Stretch Lab after the massage, like if they're in the same day, the same afternoon or whatever, that gives me like so much relief that oh my gosh, you wouldn't even imagine. And it's like you don't have to take any pain meds or anything like that, but it's like a natural release. So for those of you who may be just getting started on your knee replacement journey and you're in recovery, I would highly recommend doing, if not both of those, at least one of them. I know when I started Stretch Lab, I was still on a cane, had just had a really bad experience with physical therapy. And I just knew I was not going back to physical therapy. So, um, just wanted to share that with you for those of you who may have experienced a similar situation. Uh, know that there are alternatives for your post op care or treatment to help you get to where you need to get to. And again, I have a video I can link in that's talking about my experience with Stretch Lab, but within a week of me going to Stretch Lab, I was off my cane. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and go be great.